She sells seashells on the seashore. Guys, this is a video on how to make the perfect and easiest clay seashell. Take a round bottom bottle or a can, and then on top of the clay just make rounds like these. So these impressions will create the texture for the seashell. At the top we will create a hole, and to give it little curves we will use a safety pin like this. Now make lines with a scale. So this is all what is required to give a proper texture, definition and a beautiful seashell. Next, with white acrylic color, we have to properly fill each and every nook and corner of your seashell. And yes, don't forget the bottom part. Now with a light blue color, going to give it a beautiful shade, and again with white some details. With dark blue, I'm going to put the color in the places we had created using the scale. So this is one variation. Second is to have a light blue color overall and then give it some white details on alternate lines. Then with dark blue, we will give it a beautiful detailed border. You can use it as a keychain or take a blue thread and use it as a neck piece. We are talking about seashells, so how can we forget pearl? I've taken these pearls, and the places where we had created holes using a safety pin, we are going to use a Febi-Quick and properly stick these. The pearls look a bit far apart like this. If you want, you can completely fill it with pearls. And now our neck piece is ready. This looks beautiful with ethnic clothes. You can also put a pearl at the center, so you can pair it up with your suits for this Diwali. Also, the good part is you can use it as a keychain. So here we will use the original seashell we made without the pearls. Or if you wish, you can also use the beautiful one which we made using the pearls. If these pearls look very girly, you can remove half of the pearls, you can keep one pearl, you can just have it without the pearls, you can have many variations, or you can put it in the center. Hope you liked it.